Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, I'm going to show you how to make this Bostock pastry, which is so delicious. It's a breeze to put together. It's very quick and easy, like all of my recipes. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe because I upload 3 times every week. Now let's get started.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board.
To make this spread for this Bostock pastry, it's quite simple. I'm cracking 1 egg in a bowl. I'm adding a stick of room temperature butter along with a half a cup of sugar and a half a teaspoon of almond extract. Mix this up and then add 1 cup of almond flour. You can also pull some almonds in your food processor if you prefer to. Give this a good mix and your frangipane spread is ready. I have here this delicious brioche bread I picked up from the store. I'm going to be slicing it pretty thick. If you can't find brioche or you don't want to make it from scratch, regular sandwich bread tastes perfectly good as well. I'm going to be thinly spreading some orange marmalade on the bread slices, and then it's going to get a layer of that frangipane almond spread all over the top. And for the last part, I'm going to be dipping the bread to coat the top with some sliced almonds. Pop this into a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Be sure to keep an eye on it and be sure the bottom gets nice and golden brown and all that almond paste will slightly puff up a bit. And that is pretty much it. This French Bostock pastry is ready. This pastry is just one of those things where once you try it, there is no way you or anybody else you serve it to will ever forget. It's unbelievably delicious. From the silky and soft brioche to the sweet and tart marmalade and the nuttiness and crunch of the almonds, you just must give it a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And also don't forget that the recipes are always listed in the description box. I want to thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes.